Welcome to the new Perdido Bay Boat Launch. We're over here in Heron Bayou launching for the first time. They just opened it up Tuesday. They had a ceremony, a ribbon cutting ceremony. And this is really nice compared to the old launch, which didn't have any ramp. This was really nice. We took some video earlier, and we're going to head out into the upper part of Perdido Bay this morning and see what me and Bio Chico can find. That's right. Alright, what we got here? What we got? Maybe we have a little red. Red. Got a little red. Throw up in there, baby. Yep. Caught him on the gills. Alright, okay. Alright, we're gonna do it.
Very nice. The wind just caught me and just wrapped me right around the... Damn. Oh, you're good. You always get it. You always get it unstuck.
There you go. All right, we pulled back into the Perdido Bay launch. What a great experience. Nice launch, very beautiful, very pleasant. We caught a little redfish today. He got a little under the weather, so we're coming in early. But we're just enjoying this launch because I fished this forever here in Bayou, the other dock, and it was so hard. And now it's just such a nice place. The county did a great job with this, and we want to give them a thumbs up. That's right.
I caught a little itty bitty mangrove snapper and I thought that was pretty super cool. But then I got like hammered with, I think I'm toxically allergic to all the really beautiful blooming pine right now and I can't breathe. But you need to be able to breathe to go fishing. I mean, geez.